Zhu from National Zhongxin University. My research internship at Dr. Seti Lab at the TAMU focused on plant molecular biologics and bioinformatics. And my major experience is isolate the protoplast. And it involves enzymatic digestion of the leaf tissue to release cell at the left image, and the right image is the filter the tissue fragments to verification of the protoplast isolate. And this video is show I'm learning how to use the fluorescence microscope to check if we successfully isolate the protoplast. And I also honed my skill in gel excision and the fluorescence microscopy to verify the viability of the cells. Beyond the web lab, I bring my bioinformatics experience from Taiwan to the team. I help establish a standardization RNA sequencing analysis workflow. It was a bidirectional exchange and learning experience from them, and I taught them a data analysis. And I also attend HPRC workshop and departmental science seminars. The active discourse culture there deeply impressed me. I enjoy meeting research from the diverse cultural backgrounds. Communicate in English daily significantly improve my language skill and broaden my horizon. And living in Texas was exciting adventure. Rebuilding my daily routine in a new country taught me independence. This is a snapshot of my daily life, and it inspired the local supermarket. And special thanks to my advisor at the UAT TMUS program for this valuable opportunity. I look forward to bring this experience back to Taiwan and share to anyone. Thanks listening.